Hello friends, welcome to 5 Best Tools Hub. A trinocular digital microscope is an advanced optical instrument that combines the benefits of traditional microscopy with digital imaging technology. It features 3 eyepieces, 2 for direct viewing and 1 for capturing images and videos through a connected digital camera. This unique design allows users to share their observations in real time, making it an ideal tool for education, research, and industrial applications. With high-resolution imaging, adjustable magnification, and enhanced lighting options, trinocular digital microscopes provide detailed and accurate views of specimens, facilitating in-depth analysis and documentation. They are particularly useful in laboratories, schools, and medical facilities, offering versatility and convenience for a wide range of scientific inquiries. Whether examining biological samples, conducting material analysis, or exploring the microscopic world for educational purposes, a trinocular digital microscope is an invaluable addition to any research toolkit. Number 1. Andonstar AD249SM Digital Microscope. The Andonstar AD249SM digital microscope stands out as a powerful and versatile tool for both hobbyists and professionals alike. With a magnification range of 3000x to 5000x, this microscope is designed to deliver high-definition images that are crucial for detailed observations and analysis. The Andonstar AD249SM digital microscope is an exceptional tool that combines high performance, ease of use, and durability. Whether you are conducting scientific research, working on intricate projects, or exploring the microscopic world for fun, this microscope is sure to meet your needs. Its impressive magnification capabilities, high-definition imaging, and user-friendly design make it a worthy investment for anyone serious about their microscopic studies. Highly recommended for both professionals and enthusiasts. Number 2. Andonstar AD246SM Digital Microscope. The Andonstar AD246SM digital microscope is an impressive tool for professionals and enthusiasts alike, offering a balance of high-end features and user-friendly operation. Designed for detailed inspection, particularly in electronics, soldering, and biological research, this microscope brings some key features to the table. The Andonstar AD246SM digital microscope is an excellent choice for professionals in fields like electronics repair, biology, or research who require high magnification and detailed imaging. Its sturdy build, high resolution, and versatility make it worth the investment. It offers a premium, user-friendly experience, particularly with its on-screen display and clear video photo output. Number 3. Andonstar AD246SM Plus Digital Microscope. The Andonstar AD246SM Plus Digital Microscope is an advanced digital microscope designed for professionals and hobbyists who require high-precision imaging and detailed magnification. With its robust features and impressive specs, it's particularly useful for industries like electronics, scientific research, jewelry, and quality control. The Andonstar AD246SM Plus digital microscope is a high-performance tool designed for professionals who require detailed magnification and high-quality imaging. Its 2000x magnification, 7-inch display, and robust build make it ideal for intricate tasks in research, electronics repair, and quality control. The ability to record high frame rate video adds an extra dimension for those who need dynamic visual capture. For users who require precision, durability, and versatility, the AD246SM Plus is a top choice. Number 4. Andonstar AD209 Digital Microscope. The Andonstar AD209 Digital Microscope is a practical, high-performance tool designed for various applications, such as electronics repair, soldering, and scientific observations. Its blend of features, including a large display, adjustable magnification, and metal construction, make it stand out in the mid-range digital microscope market. Here's a closer look at its strengths and potential drawbacks. The Andonstar AD209 digital microscope is a strong choice for hobbyists, educators, and professionals looking for a user-friendly, all-in-one microscope with a large display. While it may not offer advanced features like PC support, it excels in providing clear images and video for most mid-range applications. Its sturdy build and adjustable focus range make it a versatile tool for anyone needing detailed close-up views. Number 5. Elikliv EDM11S Digital Microscope. The Elikliv EDM11S is a high-performance digital microscope that offers a wide magnification range, making it an excellent choice for detailed inspection tasks. With magnification ratios from 1500x to 3000x, this model caters to professional and hobbyist users who need a high level of precision, particularly for electronics, jewelry, and biological specimen analysis. The Elikliv EDM11S digital microscope is an excellent option for users who require high magnification and portability. Its sturdy build, digital capabilities, and sharp imagery make it well suited for professionals in fields such as electronics, jewelry inspection, and biological research. However, the monocular design may limit comfort for prolonged use, and the need for an external screen can be a slight inconvenience. Overall, it's a powerful tool for users who need detailed and precise analysis. Many thanks for watching this video.